Question: if the roots of the equation x square minus 5x plus 16 equal to 0 are alpha beta, and find the roots of equation x square plus px plus q equal to 0 are alpha square plus beta square, comma alpha beta by 2, then. In this question, they have given equation x square minus 5x plus 16 equal to 0. For this equation, the roots will be alpha and beta. Another equation will be there. For that, they have given the roots. One is alpha square plus beta square and another one is alpha beta by 2. From the first equation, we need to find out what is alpha and beta. So from this equation, we can find out sum of the roots alpha beta equal to minus b by a, that is minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Here minus of minus 5 divided by 1. Finally, alpha plus beta is 5. Then product of the roots alpha beta, that is c by a, which can be taken as constant term divided by coefficient of x square, that is 16. Here the given equation is x square plus px plus q equal to 0. For this equation, the roots is alpha square plus beta square and another one is alpha beta by 2. Now we are going to find out alpha square plus beta square with the help of sum of the roots and product of the roots of alpha beta. Here alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta, that is in the form of algebraic identities. So just substitute the value of alpha plus beta, 5 square minus alpha beta 16, 2 into 16. Then 25 minus 2 into 16 is 32. Finally minus 7, alpha square plus beta square. Then alpha beta by 2. Here we know the value alpha beta, that is 16 by 2. So it is 8. Now just construct the equation with the help of these two roots, that is alpha square plus beta square and another one is alpha beta by 2. So it will be x square minus of alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta by 2 into x plus product of these two roots equal to 0. Just substitute x square minus, just find out the value of these two, that is alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta by 2. Substitute minus 7 instead of alpha square plus beta square. For alpha beta by 2 it is 8. So the answer is 1 for sum of the roots. Then product of the roots, for this minus 7 is multiplied with 8. So it will be minus 56. Okay, here just see the equation given here, x square plus px plus q. They are asking the value of p and value of q. Okay, while comparing these two things, you can tell the value of p is minus of sum of the roots and the value of q is product of the roots. Just substitute here, minus 1 into x will be minus x. Product of the root is minus 56 equal to 0. While comparing these two equations, we can conclude p equal to minus 1, q equal to minus 56. Both is in the form of negative itself. While checking the option B is the correct answer. Thank you.